Hey my young friends, today I'm going to show you guys an epic method to get free, real, awesome Instagram followers. So as you can see, I have a ton of followers and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. So I've used this method multiple times. You can get a ton of followers for free. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. So let's get right into the video, guys. This fully works. It's super cool and it does not require a computer or anything like that. Hey guys, so as you can see, I have a ton of followers. These are in the last 30 days. Specifically 1 week ago I used this trick and I have a ton of followers, as you can see. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It's super awesome. You can see right here I have all these followers. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So what we're going to do, guys, is visit this website. It's called Zoo Mods. And they have a ton of mods for apps and games. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So once you're on this site, guys, you just want to go to the search bar and type in Instagram, basically. So as you can see, it says Instagram mods. So just press on this and then you got free followers. You just have to wait for it to download, but it's super insane, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself because it fully works. You can see right there it's only 47 MB, so it's not that big. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. Fully working method. And yeah, it's pretty crazy that this actually works, but it does. So yeah, you can get a ton of followers totally for free. You can see right there I have a ton of them. And if we go into our account, guys, as you can see, these are actually real people, which is pretty cool. And they are going to interact with your posts and they're going to post themselves, which is super awesome. So you don't have to worry about like being followed by like bot accounts, which is obviously no fun. But yeah, these are actual real people, which is super cool. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. It fully works. As you can see, this is all real. So yeah, that's super cool, guys. So you can see right here, these are all real accounts on Instagram, which is super nice because you get real engagement with your posts, which is great. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. It actually works. I mean, this is super crazy, guys, that this actually is updated. I mean, I'm using this in 2024. It is working, guys. So yeah, this is super cool.